Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Did you know our city aquatic staff is able to monitor water quality at all of our splash pads and pools around the clock? It's all done through the use of new technology. The equipment in these pump rooms serve a myriad of important roles in keeping our city pools and splash pads running at peak performance. Pressure and chemical levels are monitored around the clock, including levels of chlorine, pH, and alkalinity. Our aquatic staff can access all that vital information. It's as simple as signing on to an app on their tablets, laptops, or cell phones. They can monitor water quality from just about anywhere. That means when there's a problem, they can address it quickly. Of course, that's not the only way they monitor water quality. They manually check the water chemistry of all our swimming pools every 2 hours during operating hours. The splash pad at Windhaven Meadows is checked manually twice a day during open hours. Through the use of technology and diligence, our aquatic staff is making sure our splash pads and pools stay safe for your family. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.